A very good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to your English class. Today, we are going to discuss the poem Zoo Manners. I'm sure that you all must have visited a zoo. A zoo is a place where you see a large number of wild animals which are there behind the cages, and you can very easily enjoy looking at them from a safe distance. Students, when you visit a zoo, there are certain rules that you need to follow. Otherwise, the things might turn out to be dangerous. So, through this poem, we are going to try to discuss that what special rules should we follow in a zoo so that we and the animals remain safe. So let's start with the poem. The poem reads, "Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo." So the poet is trying to tell us that whenever we visit a zoo, we should be very careful about what we are saying and what we are doing, simply because of the fact that everything is being noticed by the animals over there. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He's very proud of his noble bump. We should not make fun of the camel's hump. Children, a hump is a part of the camel's body which is a raised part, right? And we should not make fun of it. We should not laugh at it because the camel is very proud of its noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he's as wise as you or me. We should not laugh at the chimpanzees. We should not make fun of them because human beings have found their existence from monkeys and chimpanzees. So the chimpanzees think that they are equally as wise as we are. So we should not make any kind of fun of them. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand the remarks you make. Students, strutting means walking proudly with head up and chest out so that you are trying to show that you are important. So those penguins which are moving around near the lake, they are very proud of themselves. So we should not make any kind of remark to them because they understand everything. Treat them as well as they do you, and you'll always be welcome at the zoo. Whenever you visit a zoo, try to treat the animals in a good way, the same way you want the animals to treat you. And if you do this, you will always be welcome at the zoo. Students, through this poem, Eileen Matthias is actually trying to tell us that whenever we visit a zoo, we should not make fun of the camel, of the chimpanzee, of the penguins, or for that matter, all the other animals that we see in the zoo. Basically, because they also need to be treated in a good manner. And if we treat the animals in a good way, only then the animals will treat us the same way. Students, I hope that you are clear with the poem. Listen to it once again and enjoy learning. Thank you.